also ride the entrance elevators, which are also hotel elevators, and we also ride the meeting room elevators. All the elevators were modded to Elevonic 11 with stairs to the elm of the meeting room elevators could be on their original controller and motors. So anyways, with that being said, I hope you enjoy a ride on this famous elevator. So without much ado, enjoy the video. At the Sundial at the Westin Peachtree Plaza, the high-rises that go up to the very top. Wonder which one we're gonna get. 72-story glass elevators. Yay! I just heard the chime on the main ones. These used to have Lexan fixtures. They were modded sometime in the 2000s. When Diesel Ducey rode these back in 2000, they had Lexan. Let's see. Which one's it gonna be? Oh, we got this one. Yep. Coney style brails, but this is an Otis. I'll hold the door for you. Hi. Okay, let me get in. I'm gonna, hold on. Let's go up to 72. They're Otis. Let's watch the doors close. All right, here we go. And out we go. Now, don't whine, cause now look. There's one, I think that's 191 Peachtree.
Right here?
And that's Georgia Pacific Tower.
Nice.
And there's our hotel, the Marriott Marquis. Still, you can see it there. Well, anyone can go into the Sundial.
Well, that's true.
So,
good point.
There's the SunTrust, and there's the Bank of America Tower in the distance. That's the Marriott. You can see the Hyatt Regency, which has that UFO restaurant at the top. And there's the Hilton. I think we're almost up to the top. Here's the Marriott, like I said. There's your, here's your fixtures. Let me get a cab view. There's your fixtures, which are PTL. All right. Let me see. That's something. Gee, I wonder if they're modding them again. Here we are up here. Look at this. There's the restaurant down there. Wondering if there's another elevator. Those are the two elevators right there. I'm gonna go over here to a vantage point here. We're right under the restaurant, or above, my bad. See? Here's a look into Midtown. There's the SunTrust, and right in the distance is the AT&T building and the Bank of America. And in the very distance, that is One Atlantic Center. And there's the Coca-Cola Center. And there's the Hyatt down there, which has that UFO restaurant. Sorry, my hands are sweaty, so. And right there is the Hilton. And over there is the Marriott Marquis. And there's the Marquis Twin Towers. That's the Marriott Marquis. And that's the Hilton. And there's the World of Coca-Cola over there and the Georgia Aquarium over there. There's America's Mart Mall. Here's another view, and there's the Coca-Cola Center in the distance. It's right there.
Right here?
Yeah, that. No, the parking. There's a parking deck behind it. You should be. It's. I don't know how to explain it. I know where it is.
Oh, I see the sign.
Yeah. Here's your bathrooms up here. You know what? We'll go over here. Now, over here, it's a Ferris wheel. And here's some more of downtown. And over there is the Georgia Dome, and there is the new Georgia Dome being built right next door. They do have plans to demolish the existing one, sadly. I think this carpet's like brand new. But yeah, guys, pretty awesome stuff here. Alright, I'm gonna go next one. You're going to the bathroom? Oh, I'm still gonna be up here. There's the restaurant, which I said multiple times. Ooh, cool! Not gonna play around with that though. There's the Equitable building. And there. And there is 191 Peachtree, Georgia Pacific. Let me take a look over here. Oh, that, I think, is the elevator that goes down to the restaurant or the lounge. Pretty nice, though. I think I'll end here for... Alright, now resuming my video. Here is a view of the Georgia Pacific Tower. So yeah, let's take a look in here. I don't know if I'm supposed to, it says the elevator to the lounge. I won't go on those though. Anyways though, kind of look around here. Pretty nice. That's 191 Peachtree. Anyways, yeah, and there's the Marriott marquee once again. Alright, and I think we want to go through here. And those are the main elevators. I'll try to get a ride on those later. Okay. Well, I'm gonna wait a little bit till we are able to. I'll wait for this group to go on the glass ones before I ride them. So for now, I'm just gonna pause there since we have seats. So it's gonna be it for now. So comfy. All right, now as you can see, I'll get a view of this elevator now. It appears they're doing some maintenance. I'm gonna call it. Buttons are not at ADA height. Here's a map up here. That elevator just went. This is the only one in service, but as you can see, your call button is not in ADA height. But then again, these were originally Lexan, so when the hotel opened in 1975. So they weren't originally installed being ADA compliant. Probably didn't bother to lower the call button because, you know, these are very nice. Yeah, that's the motor. Right above us is where the motor is, so. Yeah, well, let's get a view of the button. As you can see, you got Series 2, Series 4 call buttons. Okay, now it just stopped in the lobby, I think. It didn't cancel out the call, so I know an elevator is indeed working. Now I can hear it again. So it's coming up. I know that. I don't know what they're doing to that one. I mean, they were only modded 10.5, maybe over 10 years ago, so don't see a reason to mod them again. But this place appears to be recently renovated as well. So, oh yeah, it just says maintenance, as you can see, so they're just working on that one. Hopefully they don't mind if I can take another ride. These are amazing. Yeah, the only atrium here is the one in the lobby. It doesn't go through the whole hotel.
It's not usual for a job worker.
Yeah.
That's great.
You know what? I think we just take one ride. So I think it's here. Yeah, it's busy. All right, let's get a cab view. Lobby. There's the other elevator, which as you can see is being worked on.
Because they've had, you know, they've had these shakers.
Stand at the front of the cab.
Oklahoma, they seem to run it.
Yeah, you can see Stone Mountain in the distance.
To see what I can find out.
But
See him over there?
Yeah, I think we're getting to focus right now. What about negative?
these are the famous 72-story glass elevators here.
They're allowed to share it, so
I like to see the colour.
I remember pointing at Stone Mountain. We went to the next time.
Very nice.
How's Naga going?
Your lights.
yeah. Yeah, we had our meeting on Sunday. So here, you know.
For the height they travel, they are a little slow, but that's for the view. Interesting, I can see it. Bend down a little just so you guys can see it. My ears is popping.
Fairly closed.
And you like because we're only allowed
Oh, for Planet Hollywood, or
Hard Rock, yeah.
and it can only be done in the territory we don't have someone.
We're about to go in. Here we go. Whee! That was fun. Yeah.
You know, you've got Glenn Starr, he can help
And now we're into the mini atrium.
Yeah. No, he can't. He's going to have to work.
Hi, Glenn, he's got to do, he's got to use that stuff.
Here we are.
It's actually a lot smoother than the
Going up, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, I'll let you guys go. And there's your fixtures, so hold the door. Those are your fixtures, which are PTL. Anyways, let's watch it close. There it goes, and that's it. These are this is another take of the Sundial elevator at the Westin Peachtree Plaza. 72, these got PTL fixtures. All right, I'm gonna stand in front of the cab. Slow.
Slow, but your ears will
Just like the ones in Detroit.
Yeah. But they do it for viewing purposes.
this side.
Does it play music?
Sometimes.
Oh,
Not today.
unfortunately not today. The lights will dim. Here in just a second. No, maybe not.
Oh, interesting. It may be the time of day, I don't know.
I don't know.
and there they go.
Or, nope, they didn't dim.
No, they didn't dim.
My ears.
Yep.
Do you want to go out on the observatory, or do you just...
Yeah, you might as well.
There's the Marriott Marquis.
Yeah.
That's the whole point of the hotel.
There we go, almost there.
We're almost up there.
Let's see. Let's get the cab without a camera.
America's Mart. That was John Portman's first building he ever built and designed.
Oh, come on, camera. Oh.
And we're almost there. And here's the other elevator, which is turned off.
Oh, doing some service on it.
Yep.
Ooh.
Let's get a... It's not being modded, don't worry. Let me get a view here. Whoop. Let's get a cab view. Amazing elevator. And it's gonna go.
I'm gonna grab a picture of this.
Have you looked around?
There's Clay.
That's why you needed a sandwich, because I knew you brought.
Yep, we're on the Sundial once again.
Are you gonna walk around?
Yeah, not as much, but still, I'll some.
Hey, you gotta look around. Yeah. I've gotten this hotel too many times, so I'm not gonna worry about it.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. The food. It's definitely less crowded though. Wait, what's the floor above?
It's just a bar area. We can come back up. Oh yeah.
And here's the bathrooms up here. And there's the Georgia Dome and the new Georgia Dome. Yeah, it's the restaurant. That's the Georgia Dome, and that's the new one being built. They have plans to demolish the old Georgia Dome.
No, they're not demolishing.
Or converting it to something else, I don't know.
No, they're just keeping it for like another something or other.
Yeah, because I looked it up, it said they were going to demolish it once the new one's done. So, I don't know. There's the Atlanta Ferris wheel. Oh, Clay, it's like he just magically teleported. He's right there. He's on a really large iPad. Which is just touchscreen. Here's some of downtown, like, once again. Elevator to lounge. Let's take a... The funny thing is, it looks like it's a service area when it's not. Oh. Just... Oh. Just wanted to go up higher, but we can't. And my camera is stuck.
Yeah, if you look over here, you see the Atlanta airport.
Oh, really?
That's the busiest airport in the world.
Yep. It's too bad those high-rises are in not so nice areas. Yeah, that goes up to the top floor there, but apparently yeah, apparently.
And these.
What's in?
Oh, that's just.
And then the next one. Let's see what's next. All right, let's take a look here. And these are the hotel elevators. So you know what? I'll tell you what. We'll take another trip up, and then we'll take these down if you'd like. Well, actually, maybe we could just walk up. I don't know. Let's see.
Go ahead, down up there.
All right.
Remember, we're not staying at this hotel, so we got breakfast back there.
True. You can hear them.
I'm gonna...
You ready to go back there?
Oh, yeah.
I think they want to come back up and ride the passengers down so that they can at least get a feel of it.
I'll turn the camera on once it comes up.
It's coming.
As you can see, the button's not at ADA height. Which makes sense, though. I explained that in my earlier video.
I hate Atlanta traffic.
See, and that's why.
Why you take your trip?
Yeah.
Hey, Julian, did you get a view of the restaurant today?
Yeah, I did. See, it's right there. Very nice.
Yep. I've not ever lived in Atlanta because the traffic has always been such a nightmare while we've been here. But this time,
Here it is.
I just parked.
Oh,
And I figured
it's me.
if we needed to get around, we'd Uber so I didn't stress.
Yeah.
Or take MARTA or whatever worked, and it's all good.
Just curious, what is so the area you told me not to go up, that's like a bar area, you said? Okay.
It's for guests who have reservations.
Ah, that makes sense.
Oh, my cable snapped.
Oh, holy crap.
No wonder why it's shut off.
Wow, did you see that?
And that makes me feel safe.
If we go back up, I can sure.
Wonder what caused the cable to snap.
It may have been getting replaced and they took it off.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks like it snapped
It
though,
does.
which is terrifying
I
to
hope they
think
get
about.
to our room and clean the windows.
Yeah,
They've been working on the windows at the Marriott.
you just heard the counter,
Every
right?
once in a while you hear a click and
Anyways,
crazy noises
let's get a
because
cab
as
view.
they're changing levels, the cables will swing and hit things and
You
Right.
can see there's no cables on the counter, man.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah.
It's probably sitting down there at the bottom.
All right, I'm gonna watch the doors in action.
Right there.
And now we're in an atrium, a little one, not a big one though.
Oh, no, that's not. Did you want to go another ride and take the ride
Yeah,
passengers up?
We'll take the passengers down.
Back up?
Going up?
Yes.
Oh, this is fine.
All right, let's get a view out again. Here's the famous view.
This one might help. Between series and see that, you That's what I must do.
There's a cable.
I've seen this view.
There's the Ritz. And there's I think those are the Marquee Towers, I believe, I don't know. Well, there's the Marriott Marquee, like I said, and the SunTrust. Just gonna move out of the way, so that's 191 Peachtree. See, since we're almost there, I'm gonna try to get a view of the broken cable up there on the other elevator. We're getting close, so
Here we go.
here we go.
Look at that.
You can see it, yup.
Those are the broken cables.
And there's the other elevator.
It's stuck. See, look at that. Oh, it looks like they're replacing that or something.
Yeah, I don't know. Right, here we are up on 72. Alright. Alright, you want to take the main ones down?
Yeah.
Alright. Now here are the main elevators at the Westin. We're gonna take these down. Battery, please hold up.
Yeah, my sister.
I'll give you mine if you need it.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna replace.
Today.
Not really, but it works.
Anyways,
A little different roll.
we're waiting for these elevators. They have Series 2 fixtures.
Series 4.
Actually, Series 2, they are.
Look at the inside.
Well, it was modded in, like, I guess the late 90s, and they have... So I'd say they're Series 2, actually. Believe it or not. This one... Let's get a cab view. Go down to 5.
Yeah, this is.
These things are rockets.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get a view of the indicator. They're your fixtures, Series 2.
Quiet.
$46.
45.
45.
Level 44.
No.
Going down.
Oh, we can transfer over to the.
Nah, we're good.
I don't know.
Like the indicator. Yeah, these used to have circle touch fixtures, if I were gonna guess.
I've filmed these too many times in the past, not right now.
Wait, who owns this Westin?
They pop non-stop.
I'm amazed how fast so many of the elevators are here.
You're on 5.
Go ahead and end up at 6, because that's the
Level
way we
5,
go.
lobby, front desk, cafe, Starbucks,
Otis.
bar 210,
1970s,
gift shop,
baby.
and FedEx. Going up.
Why does it have to list everything on that floor?
I don't know. It was talking too much.
There is an LCD indicator, but that is broken.
Level 6, Champagne meeting room.
And now where's the meeting room elevators? First, let's watch the door close. And that's it. Okay. Otis. Here's the main elevators.
Going up.
Oh, these only go to 45. Oh well.
10? 10.
10, no 10.
It's on the other side. There we go.
Wrong one, I think. Which one is this one? Okay, this one goes up to the top, 70. Which one do we have now? This elevator layout is kind of confusing.
No, he needs 10.
There is no 10.
I think you need the, whoops. I think you need the high-rise ones. Yup. These are the ones you need. Here we go. Let's see.
No 10.
What?
Are you sure you're on floor 10?
This one. Let's see this one.
Cafe, Starbucks, bar 210, gift shop, and FedEx.
Yeah, I think you need a key for these. See, they're locked off. Oh well.
Yep.
14? Okay, well at least we can go up to 14. Let's watch the indicator. See, there's your Otis logo.
Anthony meeting rooms going down.
Let's go down to the lobby. Yeah, this is a high-rise one. There are your fixtures, which are Otis Series 2. Yeah, that indicator's broken.
Level 5, lobby, front desk, cafe, Starbucks, bar 210,
Alright.
gift shop,
No, I'll just take
FedEx.
another ride.
Going
Yeah,
up.
see. All these floors are locked. The highest we can go is 14. I'm gonna go over here because the indicator here works. Express.
Level 14, Anthony meeting rooms going
Get a view of the
down.
hallway. Nice. These are the meeting rooms, so we'll go to 5. At least I got to ride on the glassies here. Here we're on 5.
Level 5, lobby, front desk.
Alright, we'll just end here. I think we need to go down where we entered. I love those chimes, though. This one. Love that chime. I think we're on 1. Four. This is where we entered, yep. And let's watch the door close. That's it. Alright guys, before I conclude this elevator tour, These are the meeting room elevators at the Westin Peachtree Plaza in Atlanta, Georgia. Otis Series 2 call buttons. I like that chime.
Are you coming back here?
Let's go down. We're on 8, right? 14. Indicator is broken, so we'll watch the buttons. Here's a view of the Monitor PC Fixtures.
And that has the original light bulb too.
These are Lexan, or were, that is. Either Lexan or Touch Sensitive. This hotel opened in 1975, by the way. Let's get a view out. See? Otis? See you got Series 2 call buttons. And you got that lantern, whoop, and open. And, apparently, and Clay attempted to pull a Fallechia on me.
Trying to coaster on me.
Yeah.
He's trying to pull Fallechia on you, because that's what he does. Guys, let's get a cab view. CMS through an 8. I can barely feel these move at all.
I love those pictures.
I like those buns quite a bit, actually. The indicator's dead.
Both of them are still.
Alright, I'm gonna take one more ride.
Oh, you see that level one?
I like to take one more ride.
Two of them.
Yep.
Maybe he'll do a race. He is doing a race. Oh my gosh.
Well, we're gonna win because it started moving first, or most likely we'll win. I can't say we will because I don't want to lie here.
And we'll wait for him up here. Maybe hook him up. Plus, you can get a good deal.
Yeah, we're racing him. I can just tell you that. Come on. Let's wait for him to come. Gotta wait for him.
There he is.
Beat ya!
Hey, let's race.
Okay.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Hold on. I'll go with Eric. Now go.
Ah, crap, he's gonna win.
Yeah. Oh well. At least we won the first one.
Well, he had a late start, too. Wait, hold on. I want to do this one more time. We'll get it on my camera. When he gets down there. Man, these things are slow.
Certainly are for traction.
Alright, hey, hold that elevator. Hold it.
Alright, I'm gonna go with Clay this time.
Elevator drag race in 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's see. We'll get a cab view, we're going up. Let's see who wins. I'm sorry, I'm just had to do that. Okay, I'm acting really weird now. 14. Come on. That's a beautiful bell. Beat ya!
Bye, we're winning.
Oop. Sorry if I'm shaking, but I'm trying to get a, very loud Lexan style doors, I guess we'll call them. Well, I can hear you! Come on. I like these fixtures quite a bit. Indicator's dead on this one too. ADA compliant phone. Very nice classic leveling. Aw, dang it. All right, now I'm gonna press this button. I wanna hear the bell one more time. Oh, gotta wait a little bit. Actually, send it up first. I wanna hear that bell. It's just so nice. And there it goes. That's it. All right, these are the lobby elevators at the Westin Peachtree Plaza in Atlanta. Look at that. Let my camera focus a bit. That one is fine. I'm guessing the call buttons were right here. tall ones used to be there. All right, let's go. Oh, wow. This one goes up to the top. Okay, I'm gonna go up to 5. These serve all the floors, apparently. I thought,
Yes, it says Sundial access is only from those elevators at level 5.
Okay, these are the main ones.
Here, buddy. This one says up to 70.
Yeah, but it requires a key, so I'll end here. Here's an elevator glitch on camera. It's gonna nudge. Okay, good, we didn't.
I hate glitch mode.
Agreed.
Especially when they don't reopen and they just close on you.
It doesn't reverse.
Let's get a view of this. See, they're still doing that up here. All right, well, that's gonna be it. So, bye.